Check if a value exists in pandas dataframe index. I am sure there is an obvious way to do this, but can't think of anything slick right now. Basically, instead of raising exception, I would like to get true or false to see if a value exists in pandas df index. What I have working now is the following.
This should do the trick.
Multi-index works a little different from single index. Here are some methods for multi-index data frame. In df.index works for the first level only when checking single index value. Check df.index.levels for other levels. Check in df.index for an index combination tuple.
Just for reference, as it was something I was looking for, you can test for presence within the values or the index by appending the values method, for example. I find that adding the values to get a simple list on the layout makes exist or in checks run more smoothly with the other Python tools. Just thought I'd toss that out there for people.
Code below does not print Boolean, but allows for data frame subsetting by index. I understand this is likely not the most efficient way to solve the problem, but I, 1, like the way this reads, and 2, you can easily subset where df1 index exists in df2. Or where df1 index does not exist in df2.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.